The following is a release from the People's National Party Media Unit.
The People's National Party Youth Organization and the PNP Patriots acknowledge the unrelenting efforts of the Jamaica Constabulary Force in tracking down the man identified as a person of interest in the horrific rape and murder of 9-year-old Kelsey Farragon. News of his death in a confrontation with law enforcement marks the end of a manhunt, but it does not close the chapter on this national tragedy. While the nation applauds the swift and determined response of the police in pursuing justice for Kelsey, this incident underscores a far more systemic and troubling reality. Jamaica's justice system is failing to adequately prevent, deter, and address sexual violence, especially against our children. The fact that predators continue to act with such impunity is a damning indictment on our justice system. It calls into question how capable the system truly is in not only pursuing offenders, but in rehabilitating and reforming individuals who commit such heinous acts. We're therefore calling on the government to immediately pass the legislation tabled by Mark Golding in 2016, which seeks to introduce harsher penalties for crimes against women and children. This bill has sat dormant for far too long. Our children cannot afford further delays. Additionally, we call for the urgent establishment of a multi-stakeholder panel to review and make recommendations for improving public accessibility to the National Sex Offenders Registry. This measure is not only about deterrence, it is about protecting vulnerable communities, empowering families, and ensuring that survivors do not suffer in silence while predators move unseen. The killing of the accused may bring some relief to a grieving nation, but it is no substitute for the kind of justice system that provides protection, deterrence, rehabilitation, and transparency. We cannot continue to address violence with reactionary measures. Jamaica needs urgent structural reform to protect its children and uphold the rule of law. Kelsey Farragon deserved to live. Let her death not be in vain. Let us now ignite the comprehensive reform that this country so desperately needs.
And visit our website at pnp.org.jm or check us out on Facebook at Jamaica PNP.